Hi, this is Jason with Paul Davis Restoration. Today I'd like to talk to you about the science of drying. As a restoration company, our main goal is to restore structure before we have to replace it. For example, if this drywall and baseboard were to get wet, rather than replace it, we would restore it using the science of drying. Not only is that going to save the materials itself, so instead of replacing the baseboard and the drywall here, we would also have to paint the entire room so that everything matches. Well, if we can use these techniques to dry the structure, we're going to save a lot of time and a lot of money in the long run. I'm going to talk about 3 techniques that we use to do that today. We're going to talk about evaporation, dehumidification, and temperature control. Evaporation is done using fans like this one right here. We're going to move air across the surface. That's going to evaporate the liquid from the materials. As that liquid is released from the materials, it turns into a vapor in the air. That vapor is captured by dehumidifiers. The dehumidifier is going to pull that vapor in. We're actually going to pump it down a drain through a tube like this. So we'll put it in a sink or wherever it needs to go. Another thing that we have to think about is temperature control. We want to make sure that we maintain the proper temperature in the area to create that environment that water wants to wick out of the walls, so that we can get that vapor that we need to get. One of the things we have to keep in mind is the amount of dehumidifiers. If we have too much of an evaporation rate, we can get into secondary damages, meaning we're going to take the moisture from this portion of the wall. If we're not capturing all that vapor, it's going to find the driest spot that it can, and it's going to create secondary damages. So these are things that we think about every day. If you need help drying your house out, please give us a call. Thanks for watching.